Hey guys, so in this video I will talk about the truth about Arbonne. Now for many of you who don't know what Arbonne is traditional network marketing or direct sales, MLM, multi-level marketing company, and they are in the wellness and health space or wellness and health niche. So basically they are promoting healthy, different health related products like protein shakes, protein powders, even makeup stuff, beauty, and also different health related products. So why I'm talking about the truth about Arbonne is because many people who are joining Arbonne don't know what is behind the curtain. Now if you go on YouTube and watch different videos from people who are actually at the top positions or top ranks in Arbonne, you'll see their personal experience as well. So you don't have to believe what I say, you don't have to take my words for it, you can go and research it after this video yourself. So I'm sharing about the truth about the company by name Arbonne. Now this is not an attack on the company or anyone doing or promoting the Arbonne, but just my personal opinion and opinion based on the conversations I had with some of the distributors who are promoting Arbonne products for years. So this is my personal opinion, and you can, like I said, take it or believe it, or up to you. So the first thing is, like I said, Arbonne is in the health and wellness space. Now when you join the company, you have many options. You can join for $200 and something, or you can pay $300, and then you have the option even for $440 to get these meal plans. And if you ask me, it's quite expensive, but some people buy those products because once you become a distributor in the company, you have to qualify every single month. So you have to have a PV, which is personal volume, or BV, which is business volume. So in order to qualify for your payout, for your commissions as a distributor in the company Arbonne, you have to buy their products every single month. Even though you don't use it, or you think it's a garbage, or you don't like the products, you still have to keep them in your garage. You have to keep buying them in order to make money. So let's say that you make $1,000, $3,000 in this month. In order to qualify for the next month, even though your whole team, let's say your downline made all the volume, for you to be able to get that money, you have to buy those or purchase those products by yourself on your own, with your own money. So another thing that they are pushing out in the space is put it on your credit card or set it and forget it. So basically they're encouraging people to use their credit cards to purchase the product. Even though they don't have money, they say use your credit card and put it on your credit card and just forget it. Now another thing is that I think is also the dark side of Arbonne is all the expenses connected to the opportunity itself. So for example, they say it's not expensive, it's just $300 or $400 to start this business opportunity, but on the other hand, you still have to spend money on the travel expenses, hotel, airplane tickets to go to the events. Now maybe during the COVID you don't have to go to the events, but they also have the online events, Zoom calls, where you have to pay some money to join these so-called business trainings. Now another thing is also the car qualifications. You can see on Instagram you have many people who are national vice president in the company, which is basically the rank in the company that you achieve, and this is like 1% of people who achieve this rank. So basically they said to you, you are getting free Mercedes-Benz, brand new Mercedes-Benz for free. But what they are not telling you is that those people who are posting the pictures of their Mercedes-Benz car that they received as an award for the work in Arbonne, they are not telling you that this is the lease payment. Basically the company is not giving you the free car as they say. They are basically paying the lease every single month for that Mercedes-Benz. So you can see that in many different network marketing companies, the company will pay you if you qualify every single month. Let's say that you need $10,000 US dollar or $100,000 monthly in sales from your downline, from your team or your organization that you have in your company. From that, you have to qualify every single month in order to be able to keep that car. So let's say that maybe this month you have $100,000 in the sales, and next month you have only $30,000 in the sales. So the company will stop paying you for your car, and there is the big problem. You see, once you receive the car and the company is paying you for the lease, if they stop paying you, this means you have to go into your own pocket to pay out for your car, otherwise they will come and repossess it back to the store. So this is the big problem in many different companies, but in Arbonne you can see lots of people posting on Instagram their new brand white Mercedes-Benz, but they are not telling you the truth behind it. The truth that they are getting maybe paid the lease, but if they stop getting the results, let's say that next month they get lower volume of sales, they cannot make the payments, so they have to pay it from their own pockets. Now another thing, it's also like I said, you have to buy more products every single month even though you're not using them. And another thing is recruiting. Of course, the main money is made from recruiting. Even though they say they have the product, we are not the pyramid scheme, we are the real traditional network marketing company. Even though they say that the main money it's made out of recruiting. You can see all of the online events and live events, they're promoting recruiting. Recruit from event to event. So you're basically, they tell you make a list of your 100 friends and family members and then call them up, invite them for the opportunity, send them this link to check it out, to watch the video, to get to know about the opportunity. Or they say make friends, so basically you are making fake friends just in order to connect with them, to build rapport, so you can sell them your Arbonne products or join them in your opportunity. Now another thing is you have no control over what happens in the Arbonne. So basically, if tomorrow they change the compensation plan or marketing plan structure, you have no control over that. Even though you're working in it for maybe 3 years, 5 years, you have no control what happens tomorrow. If the company decides to change their marketing plan, if they say instead of 10% we are going to pay out 5% commissions, you have no control over that. So you cannot do anything basically about it. Now, of course, they will motivate you and say that you can make a lot of money with Arbonne if you stay consistent. But the truth is that if you go and look on the Business for Home page, you will see that maybe just few amounts of people is in the top 1% earners in Arbonne. The rest, they are getting less than $400 per year. Yes, per year. You can check this out by yourself. So another thing is also the bad body image. Now you can see on these Instagram profiles, they will share the pictures in bikinis, and of course with intention to sell you something. But another thing is they install in your mind the bad body image. They say basically they have the program called 30 Days to Healthy Living, and they have different meal plans, which I said it costs around $300 to $400 to join, to start with that. And they say this is going to help you to cure that, or this is going to help you with the pregnancy, or to lose your weight. And some people do lose weight. I'm not against the products, but the thing is that they are not telling you the whole story or the whole truth. So basically you are buying these products and then they're enforcing that upon you by sharing these crazy images online from their before and after results that they got with Arbonne products. So it's entirely up to you if you decide to join it or not. But go and research, do some research and see, like, now this begs the questions, what is there a better way? Is there another way that I can, let's say, if you're really interested in health niche, in wellness, in fitness, is there a better way where you can go and also make the money without having to create fake friends to sell them your shakes, your powder, your makeup stuff, or anything else that the Arbonne company promotes? Now, if you join the company, of course you have to pay to join, to start. You have to pay the money to receive your starter kit, your starter business kit, and different meal plans and stuff like that. But there is also the better way, which is to be an affiliate for some company. So basically you are just an affiliate, you're not a product owner, You don't stock any supplements or any kind of products at home. You don't have to pay to start. You don't have to basically use the product personally to be able to sell it. Like in most MLM companies, you will see you have to use the products, even if it's garbage, even if it's trash, even if it's not healthy for you. Like in most cases, you still have to use the product because they have the program called "Be a Product of the Product." So basically, they are using you and selling you idea that you have to use the products in order to promote your business. But basically, that's not the true. If that would be true, then Oprah Winfrey would be watching television 24 hours a day to be a product of the product. So this is just a mantra that they're using to say the idea that you have to use the products. Basically, if you're using the products, it means that you are paying with your card for the products, using them, and they are getting the commission, they are earning the money from it. So of course they will tell you like that. Now, the thing with affiliates, for example, affiliate marketing is that you can promote different products. You don't have to put your face out there like me right now. You don't have to put the face out there. You don't have to create any accounts if you don't want to. But what you have to do is you can run Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, different options that you have to get traffic, to get the visitors to your website, to your page, and those visitors then convert to the customers. So you don't have to put your face out there, and you don't have to make a list of your 100 friends and family members in order to sell to them or call them, invite them to the meetings, spend time doing all this stuff that you could be actually using to do something that you like, basically like, because no one actually likes to recruit people. No one likes to call them up and invite them to the opportunity meeting in order to sell them the opportunity itself. So yes, that is a better way, and this is only my personal opinion. I'm not against the Arbonne, but if you happen to look on their website, do your own personal research, and if you have any more questions regards to affiliate marketing or how you can promote different products, because look, you don't have, like I said, you don't have to put your face out there, but you can promote different products without ever using your own real name. You don't have to use your face, you don't have to use your address, you don't have to create a product, you don't have to pay for the product. So basically you can earn up to 90% commissions for each sale that happens to your site. So let's say that you get the supplement cost $100. In that case, you would get $90 per each sale of that supplement. So basically you don't have to invite anyone, you don't have to send any links out there, you don't have to use your own Instagram account or your Facebook profile if you're not comfortable with that. You can, it's just simple as that, having a website, a small one-page site, and then driving traffic. Traffic is people, visitors, masses of people who are already interested in what you have to offer, using maybe Facebook ad. So you basically set up an ad or something like that, and then drive the traffic, drive those people to your page, so you get the eyeballs to your page, and once they come to your page, then the page does all the telling and selling for you, and once the person purchases the product, the vendor or the owner of the product manage all the difficult stuff, all the delivery stuff, all the customer complaints or customer services and stuff like that. You don't have to deal with that. So you're only the middleman, the connector, basically getting people from point A to point B, without ever using or putting out your name, like I said, or your face. So if you have any more questions, you can comment below this video. And also I have a free Facebook group where you can join. It's nothing to buy, but you can join that group and get more information on more action steps, basically not just how to, but also the exact step-by-step instructions on how you can get started as an affiliate. I mean, there is nothing to join, there is no network marketing company, no direct sales, no MLM of any kind. You're basically just an affiliate. You can choose and pick which offer you want to promote, and if tomorrow you don't like it, you can change it for another one. You can just swipe the offer for another one. But you cannot do that with Arbonne, for example. Once you have the team of people, once you have, let's say, 1,000 people in your team, and you are making some money, and if tomorrow the Arbonne decides to change your compensation, or in other words, marketing plan, you cannot do anything about it. You cannot talk to the CEO of Arbonne to change the plan. But with affiliate, as an affiliate marketer, you can change the vendor. If you're not happy with it, you can always change it. You can swipe it for another offer. And like I said, you don't have to pay for the products. There is no monthly auto ship. There is no payments or down payments or anything like that. You can basically get started for free, pick the product for free, and promote it. Also using free traffic, or I would suggest paid traffic, which is like Google or Facebook ads. So if you have any more questions, please subscribe to this channel, and also join my free Facebook group where I'm sharing different actionable step-by-step process how to start as an affiliate. So thank you for watching this video.